Ice storms occur when warm air hovers above a layer of cold air near the ground. As rain falls from this warm layer, it encounters the frigid temperatures just before hitting the surface. This causes the rain to freeze instantly upon contact, creating a thick layer of ice. The result? Slippery roads, collapsing trees, and downed power lines. While ice storms can create stunning winter landscapes, they also pose serious hazards. The beauty of glistening ice can quickly turn into a dangerous situation, so it's crucial to stay safe and warm during these icy events.